The Gravity Group has been fairly successful with their line of family wooden coasters, and for good reasons. It's presumably a very affordable price tag, along with the ability to fit into a tight footprint, makes it really attractive to smaller amusement parks. Even better, the height requirement is rather low, so most people, down to small kids, can enjoy these rides. Woodie Express at Parc Saint Paul is one of the latest in the family to open. It's one of the new coasters built in France in 2018, and luckily I got to experience it in the past summer. So here are my honest thoughts on Woodie Express. As you can tell, Woodie Express doesn't exactly have extensive theming. The only element that sort of conveys a theme is the front car of the train, which is pretty stylish actually. Honestly, I don't mind the absence of scenery. The surrounding forest plus the coaster structure and overall appearance make for some decent visuals. The queue line could use more shades so that guests waiting to ride feel more comfortable in the summer though. Woodie Express layout can simply be described as a double out and back. It is a pretty compact coaster actually, but oh boy does it pack a punch for its small height. Aboard the trains on Woodie Express, you can feel the slight rattle that just makes wooden coasters more wild and out of control. The pacing is just superb. The train keeps a really good momentum during the whole ride. It is short in duration, but there are zero dead spots. It's only an exhilarating sequence of small ejector hill after small ejector hill. None of the hills deliver sustained airtime, mind you. However, there are so many of them in such a quick succession that it makes for a truly exciting ride experience. I think Woodie Express is one of the best investments a smaller park can make. It doesn't have the most impressive starts and barely any theming, however it is remarkably fun and very rideable. That's why I give it a final score of 7.5 out of 10. This coaster cost under €3 million, and frankly, it's a fantastic bargain.